This is one of my favorite dipping sauces. I'm going to make one with the honey and mustard. What I have in the medium bowl, I'm going to put a half a cup of real mayonnaise. I'm going to follow by a 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. That's going to be nice and tang. That allows the Dijon mustard. 3 tablespoons of honey, just to get really sweetened. And finally, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. I'm just going to give that a whisk. Just want to get a nice smooth. Can you see that? It's really easy. Only 4 ingredients for the dipping sauce with the honey and mustard. And that's it. You have a nice honey mustard dipping sauce. You can pour it into the serving bowl. You can dip it with your favorite soft pretzels, or nice celery sticks, even the baby carrots. If you're interested for more recipes, write down in the comments below if you want to say something. Make sure to be always watch before sharing. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up for A1. Always subscribe to my channel. Click the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video. So, until next time, enjoy.